This is a second video series of advanced use of entity framework. In this video, I will show you how to add a business logic while keeping the business logic layer and data access layer separate. And also, I will show you how to create automated unit test for the business logic layer. Here I want to create one class first. Let's do it. Give it the name here. I want to create one interface here, so let's say interface. It's possible. Okay. Here the department. Okay, good. I want to define a method called getDepartment. And also I want to create a method called insert department. I want to also create one method called delete department. And also I want to create one method called update department for updating the department. And we need also another variable for our original value. And here we need structure name. Get structure. So here we define a few methods like get department, insert department, delete department, update department, and get instructor name. So I want to implement this interface into our school responsibility class. So now here you can see I already implement all these methods which is defined here in our interface, like get department, insert department, delete department, and get instructor name. So if you are interested how to implement all these methods, you can watch my previous video number 1. Next, here I want to create one folder, so let's do it and give it the name PNL. And here also I want to create one class, item class, and first let's implement a disposable interface. And also I want to create one variable, and here I want to create constructor. Let's say this is equal to new create another one. This equal to, and here I need one variable, one parameter. Okay, now I increase. Okay. Just capital one. Okay, that's good. And also I need department. Let's get departments, name of the method. Let's return dot departments. Next I need a insert method. Let's say insert department. Here we can say department and here we can try catch. Okay. And here we can say insert department equal to, I need to pass here we are going to say oh, in the case of we have any error. So next I am going to create one method called delete department. Here we need department and I need one try. Get block. Let's say some yes. Dot department need to just pass my argument, and here I want update department. I need parameter here. department, and here we are going to cost department. Here also in the case of we have any error. Let's create one instructor name, get instructor name, and now here let's create one variable called this post value equal to false, and here we want to create this post method. Here say let's say if dot post value then post post value is equal to true. Here finally we are going to set post true, and also we need the connector. As you can see here, we define same method as we defined here in cool repository class. But instead of accessing entity framework directly, it's called the cool repository class method. Oh, here it's spelling error. Also here we define two constructors. Here you can see, and this constructor will be used by ObjectDataSource. It creates instance of cool repository class. This one. Also we need to make some changes in here in our department, in our ASP page, department page. So here we are going to use this class cool BL, and this class is here in this folder BLL. So you can write BLL dot cool BL. So let me just copy here, and also you need to paste it here. Also we need to make changes in our department. Switch here. So now we can go ahead and run this page. So let's run first department add page, and we will going to add a department. So let's add first a new department. Insert. Now let's add a department page. Here you can see we just entered this department. Also we can add from here this one, and also we can select two. Also we can edit here date, and here you can see updated value. So let's move on. Next thing I want to show you here how to do a automated unit testing. To do that, first I need to create a one project, and here select a test, and here you can say entity test project, and say yes. So first here I want to add a reference. Let's say add reference. Here I want to add this system.date.entity data.entity. Okay. And first here we need to add existing project. I want to add a entity framework. I want to add this project. Yeah. And here also I want to add a reference of this project. Let's say add reference, and here in the project let's add reference of this project. So let's create one class. Here I want to use example, and also this one. Here and I want to use this interface, and also I use possible interface. And here first I want to create a list of department. This department, and also I want to create instructor, and here department get part departments method, and return departments. And also here now we can create insert department department, and next we want to create a delete department method. Here we just can say remove department. After that, object department, 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 here we can say department dot remove is equal to department is which department dot add is equal to department. And finally we need click. Here we can say instructor name, get instructor name, return, and click void pause. So let's change here instructor. So now it's here. As you can see here, this class has same method as we have in school repository class. Also, it access entity framework directly. You can see here we are using a list collection instead of database. This makes easier for a test class to set up and validate unit test for the business logic class. Next, we want to add unit test method for a business logic. So let's here switch on here. Number create a method. Here I need to declare one variable. department ID equal to 0. Here administrator equal to 1. That's person is equal to instructor. First mid name admin, last name equal to 1. So I can just copy and paste here. So paste here, and here you can say and here you can alt. One, 2, 3, here you can say 2 and 3. Then so here we are just inserting a department, so we can use in our test method. So here dot, I can just copy and this one. Paste, and here I want to say for department Now I can just copy here, just it. And here I need to write update. So we are going to write a method for update. Here I want to declare one variable department from dot the departments where dot name is equal to second department that the dot source. So I can just copy, lot of use of copy and paste. So I can just say here department. Here I want to say department dot administrator is equal to 1, and now we can write object department. So first we are going to pass department, and after that we are going to pass original value. So here a test method verifies that business logic class throw exception if someone try to insert a new department with same administrator as an existing department, or if someone try to update a department by setting it to the ID of a person who is already the administrator of another department. So here you can see, that's why I write a same administrator and department ID. So before to run this test, I need to create a class. I need to generate a class. So let's do it. Okay, so we are now expecting that the test will be failed. So let's run this test. So here you can see, as we expected, the two tests are failed. Let me copy this. So next we want to create a exception class that we can throw when user try to make a instructor the administrator of more than one department. So here in our main project, I want to create a class item class name. So here I need exception, and here also here I can say is switch. I want to open here. Departments. Get departments by administrator. So here I just create a method called getDepartmentByAdministrator and want to copy, and I want to implement this method in our full repository class. First I want to use the system objects here. And make a method return the new object. Department select value D from department as a D text merge option for tracking. Include, we want to include a person table. Where T administrator is equal to administrator to list. And also I want to add same method here in our mock school repository. Public return from the in department where the dot administrator is equal to administrator select T. Here my query, and here I am getting a department by administrator. So finally I want to open .bl file and I can write my validation method. So let's say private void that one administrator assignment for instructor. Here I can say department and here you can say if department dot administrator is equal to null, and Then I want to create one variable called duplicate department. Equal to repository dot get department by administrator. We just created method. So department dot administrator dot get value or default. First or default. Here you can say if duplicate department does not equal to null and duplicate department dot department ID does not equal to department dot department ID, then we can throw exception. Throw new duplicate administrator for exception. Here we can say string dot format is equal to instructor is already administrator the department. Here I can say duplicate department dot person and dot first name duplicate first name. Here I can say duplicate department dot person dot last name. And here I can say same thing, duplicate dot person dot name. Name here. So now I want to call this method here in our insert department, and also I want to call this method here in our update department. And here also now we don't need this one, so let's delete. And now we can go ahead and run this test, and we are expecting test will be passed. So first run this test. So run test. So here you can see test is passed for a insert, and let's run test for a update. Run test. And also here you can see the test is passed also for a update. So let's move on. Here I want to open this department page, and let's run this page. Here you can see if I'm trying to update a new department administrator which is already assigned to another department, then what we get? Then we are getting a error. Here you can see Pati is already administrator of economics department. So here we need to, I want to add a error handling. So let's do it. So let's start and open PS file. Here I want to say if entity framework, the name test. Here I want to add a method validation. Void and checked the source updated check under checked the source step. Exception does not equal to null, then also I need one if else condition. Let's say if exception or inner exception is duplicate administrator exception, then I want to create one variable called duplicate administrator duplicate administrator equal to new custom constructor. And duplicate administrator validator is valid, then equal to false. Duplicate validator error message is equal to, here we have say first update failed, exception inner exception message. Also we need a page to validator add duplicate administrator validator. Finally we can say exception handle is equal to true. So here is our method for handling error. So let me just copy this method name and here on update I can copy and paste this method name. Let's switch in our department, and here I want to copy this method and also I want to implement error handling for a department 8 page. Yeah, here let me open here. I will using entity framework. Here I can paste the method, and here I just need to make some changes. Let's say insert date. Also here I can say insert file. also copy and need to open page. Here I can say on date and paste it here. Now I can go ahead and run this page. So let's run a department page. Let's try to update administrator, and here you can see we get a error message. So object data source control catch exception when it try to update and pass exception to the event argument to this handler, and validator control display this error message. Thanks for watching this video.